All right, hey, what's up? We're back. We've got the interior panels here for the 32 Devil's Pride. We're giving you a little visual as to which way we're kind of going to go with it and the way we're thinking. These panels we made from scratch. They're layered, so there's an outer layer, the main layer, and then we actually have a back layer because we're going to wrap that or coat it the color of the car. We're really unsure just yet, but we've done this so that you kind of get an idea of the contrast that we're looking to do. We just did a quick coating on these pieces here with a dark tan color to kind of simulate maybe a saddle tan, which is kind of what we're thinking about going with. So all that you see in the tan color will be a dark saddle tan or a distressed black leather, something along that sort. And then we may do the back side of it with the same material, or again, as I said, we may do the color of the car. When I laid everything out and had it in my head for the interior in this, I really wanted everything to try to flow as much as possible. And when you start putting holes in things and you start doing beads and bead roll and things like that and trying to make everything come together, it's a little difficult. I don't have the sophisticated equipment and programs to just lay it out on a computer. It's all right here in the head. So, but as you see, this right here comes down through in the center section to divide those two sections. It does the same thing on the quarter panel piece as it comes down. So this is actually done intentionally to come down and meet up and then start its way going back up. Bead roll on the bottom, punch press holes at the top. That also is to line up with the seat when it's in the car so that you get that flow with the curvature of the seat and the panels, everything flowing together. Right now we've got everything coated out in stainless, and with the seats we've got our lower piece here. This piece comes out, actually mounts in there. We bolt and anchor the seat down in the car underneath this panel here. So there's three pieces, or three layers actually, to the seat. There's three layers to the door panel and the quarter panel piece. The the floorboard piece, it's just 2-layer. That'll be wrapped, and then whatever we decide to do as our background color in our punch press holes, we'll do that on the floor, so you'll get that directly there. Again, that may be saddle tan leather, may be the color of the car with the blue that we're doing. But if you look at that other seat over there, that's just raw aluminum, so there's no contrast. It still looks really good. I like the look, but contrast, you get some other color thrown in there with it studded out, just gives it a lot more character to tie everything together and make everything just look really nice and crisp and show off those lines like we're trying to sit there and do with everything, with it all flowing together. Our kick panel in there also is the same way. It's got the outline here with the double row, and it goes in front of that panel because this is the front part, so this is going toward the front of the car. This is for the door handle itself. So the kick panel goes up there. The kick panel is just bead roll, so as that continues on up, it's just got bead roll in it, but it's got the same thing where it's studded out and double rowed all the way around it. Kick panel goes up, it finishes off with bead roll and the double studded area framed out all the way around. So this gives you a kind of an idea of what we got going on and what we're trying to accomplish on the inside of the 32 Devil's Pride. So you guys keep watching, subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and we'll be back with some more. Thanks.